In front of me is LENOVO Legion Tab Gen 3, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Begin by going into Devices Settings and tapping on Bluetooth. Now use this switcher next to Bluetooth to activate it and wait for available devices to show up. When they do, click on the one you wish to connect to. Select this icon next to Allow access to your contacts to enable or disable this option, and when you're ready, hit Pair over here. Now you need to wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my devices were successfully connected. To disconnect them, use this icon next to the device and hit Forget next to Connect. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!